Hello! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage V2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back/menu button. Once you open the menu, you can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Scroll through the menu, select the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, tap on the general settings option. Then scroll down, find the option called flight mode and tap on it. And to enable the flight mode or airplane mode, tap on the on option. And now the mode is enabled. And to disable it, tap on flight mode and select off option. You can also enable and disable this mode by using the quick panel. So basically, while you're on the home screen, the current watch face, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Like this. On this panel, you can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of options, and one of them is the flight mode. You can tap on the icon to enable the mode, and if you want to disable it, you can tap on the icon again. And that's how you enable and disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.